Hi, welcome to LiveBinders. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to put an image in a text frame in a binder tab. For this example, I am using the media text format. Now to add my image, I need to create a temporary tab to upload my image to LiveBinders. I click on Content, Upload, choose my file, and upload. So there's my Earth Day image. I need to copy the link from the box that says enter a URL, come back to my binder tab, click on Edit Main Textbox, insert Edit Image, paste the copied URL. For our visually impaired, I'll provide a description. Blue and green earth image with reduce, reuse, recycle, restore, replenish, circling it with Earth Day and April 22nd. You can increase or decrease your dimensions, but be sure to keep constrained proportions checked to prevent distortion of your image. Click OK. Now there's my image. I think I will center it. I'm going to add a word. I'm going to save. And that is how you add an image in a text frame.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.